She's so fine. Hell of a, blows my mind. Hell of a, lights my day.
What's good, guys? Been doing some updates on some of the cases that I follow. This one is in the Tamir Rice case. This is from yesterday. It's from Fox 8. It says Justice Department declines to file charges against officers in deadly shooting of Tamir Rice. It's coming out of Cleveland. It says the U.S. Department of Justice closed its independent investigation into the deadly shooting of 12-year-old Tamir Rice. The Justice Department said it found insufficient evidence to support federal criminal charges against Cleveland Division of Police officers Timothy Lohman and Frank Garmbach. Rice's family was notified of the decision on Monday. Although Tamir Rice's death is tragic, the evidence does not meet these substantial evidentiary requirements. In light of this, and for the reasons explained below, career federal prosecutors with both the Civil Rights Division and the U.S. Attorney's Office concluded that this matter is not a prosecutable violation of the federal statutes, the Department of Justice said in a news release on Tuesday. The DOJ said video of the incident is time-lapsed, grainy, and doesn't have audio, so Rice's hands are not visible at relevant times. Federal investigators also said Lohman and Garmbach gave several statements and consistently repeated main points. Rice was shot and killed at Cadell Recreation Center on West Boulevard in Cleveland on November 22, 2014, after a person called 911 reporting seeing a person with a gun. The caller said the individual was, quote, probably a juvenile, end quote, and the gun was, quote, probably fake, end quote. That information was not passed along to the officers, according to the investigation. Police said Lohman opened fire when he said the young man reached towards his waistband. The gun turned out to be an airsoft pistol. Lohman was fired from the Cleveland Division of Police in 2017 for lying on his police application, not the deadly shooting. His termination, though was upheld by the Cuyahoga County Common Pleas Court. The Cleveland Police Patrolmen's Association said it is still fighting to get him his job back. When asked for a statement from the Rice family, the Chandra law firm referred us to a letter from November. It called on then U.S. Attorney General William Barr for answers. This is actually from the Chandra law firm, or Chandra law firm. It says specifically the letter demands that Barr and Dreeben confirm that the Department of Justice has no intention to provide the Rice family with justice and provide a full account of what internal recommendations about investigation and prosecution of the officers were made by whom, why internal review took so long, and who was responsible for the delay and any decisions not to convene a grand jury or prosecute. Number 2. Explain why the Department of Justice did not communicate these decisions to Ms. Rice through her counsel, despite her right under 42 U.S.C. 10607 C3A and E2B3 to notice of the status of the investigation, and her right under Ohio law to be treated with dignity and respect. Number 3. Provided unredacted copies of the internal memoranda, recommendations to supervisors, and attachments from the career prosecutors, the newspaper articles referenced to memoranda. Number 4. Provide a copy of the whistleblower complaint referenced in the articles, and any attachments with the whistleblower's name redacted. And number 5, explain why the Department's Office of Inspector General refused to investigate this incident when the jurisdiction of the Office of Professional Ethics is more limited to violations of the rules of professional conduct, rather than the broader decision-making integrity issues that are part of the Inspector General's purview. While I hate that decision was made, I must say that I'm not shocked. Nothing really shocks me anymore in regards to these cases, and that's sad. So I just wanted to bring that update that the Justice Department had declined to file charges against those 2 officers in the deadly shooting of Tamir Rice. Thanks for watching, guys.